Well, I've always loved trucks, and obviously this is the biggest truck show in the United States. We knew we were going to do this 2 years ago when we started putting all this together and finally made it. My name's Eric Gibson. I own Gibson Truck Lines based in Murray, Kentucky. We're a refrigerated freight hauler, run mainly northwest and southeast. Have 25 trucks, and this is our pulling truck. The road truck, or the hauler truck, what people call it, is a 2017 Western Star 4900 FA. It had some custom stuff done to it before we did to it to make it sit lower. A lot of people think it's a low max, but it's not. Yeah, it's just had some body drops put on it. Detroit DD13 motor, 13-speed transmission. We've done a lot of custom stuff to it, custom bumper, custom headache rack. Headache rack was built by Fabcor in New Brunswick, Canada. They built a headache rack for it and Big Joe both. We put fenders on it, did the paint work ourselves, got that all done, pinstriping. Normal road tractor, there's nothing really special about it other than just, when we found that one, then we found the road tractor to go with it. Thought that'd be something cool to put together. That is a truck pull, tractor pull. That's what it does. It's just made for that kind of thing. We found it on the internet. I guess it was early part of 2020, maybe 2019, and somebody got to it and bought it before I got a hold of it, and it disappeared for probably almost a year or better. And I finally tracked it down in Nebraska. A farmer had bought it, and we're using it to pull a manure spreader with it. And I think it lasted about 3 weeks with them, and it blew up a motor, so it was sitting in a shed. And I got a hold of the guy and got it bought, got it brought home, and been working on it ever since. We've done some research and haven't found exactly for sure where it was built, but we're pretty sure it was a Tapscott Logging in Virginia or West Virginia. They're the ones that originally built it quite some time ago, and I think it's just changed hands several times till we got a hold of it. From the frame up is a Western Star 4900, but the running gear is a military grade wrecker, 10-ton 6x6 wrecker. So it's kind of been made a hybrid or morphed together to make what it is now. The motor was built by SS60 Performance Diesel in Turbitville, Pennsylvania. We stripped it down, took the tires and all that, and just basically sent the shell to them, and they built the motor. It's Detroit Diesel, 60 series. It's rated at 1,300 horsepower. Really no way to test it. 2,600 foot-pounds of torque estimated. 10-speed Allison automatic transmission. They're flotation tires. A lot of times you'll see them on like spreader trucks and off-road applications, logging, stuff like that. So they're definitely not highway tires. We put the bull guard on it, headache rack on it. We added the weights and all to the back. It had some on it before, and we kind of redid all that, made it look a little bit better, but it carries 4,000 pounds just of weight on the back of it. Obviously the one on the trailer, we call that one Big Joe, and we hadn't really come up with a name for this one. We're kind of thinking Low Joe maybe, but we haven't decided on that yet.